to my channel. This is a highly requested video. It's been ages since I filmed my current hair routine. I'm going to take you through step by step of how I do my hair on wash days and basically how I get my curls to look like this. My hair has changed a lot since my last video. I have bangs now, the shape is a bit different and it's a lot longer. I'll also be including products in my collection so you can get an idea of what different brands I like to use. Also, this is just my personal routine which works for my hair. Everyone's hair is different. I'll tell you a little bit about my hair. It is thick, dry, low porosity. Yeah, even feeling the ends now, it's pretty dry. I probably have to do a mask soon. And I'm lucky to get a lot of natural volume. That's just my hair type, but my haircut is short layers throughout my hair and I ask for a more round shape when I go to the hairdresser. Anyway, let's get into the routine. So this is what my hair looks like before getting washed and styled. It's dry, frizzy, and partially brushed out from having it tied up in a bun. For most of my life, I thought this was the best my hair could get and that's why I straightened it. But little did I know the key to getting more defined, shiny curls is your wash day routine and the styling products you use. Today I use the Coco and Eve Hydrating Shampoo. I love all the Coco and Eve products as they are super hydrating for my dry curls. I make sure to massage everywhere around my scalp, getting rid of any product buildup and dry skin. Here are some other shampoo options. Feel free to take a screenshot so you can research which ones are most available to you. If you're wondering why I have so many products, it's because of my job as an influencer. I feel really grateful to be able to try out and work with so many amazing brands. I used the Frieda Dream Curls conditioner today. I want to mention that I don't follow the curly girl method. I do use products that have sulfates and silicons from time to time, but a lot of my products in my collection are curly girl approved. I like to use a lot of conditioner throughout my hair, and I also detangle my hair in the shower when my hair is wet and has conditioner in it to avoid hair damage and breakage. A lot of the time I use a hair mask as a conditioner and I leave it in for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or sometimes the whole day. I just use a clip or hair tie to tie my hair up and I let the mask sink in. These are some other conditioners I love for my hair and have been picking up in the shower recently. Now that I have shampooed and conditioned, it is time for styling. I believe your styling routine is key to how your curls are going to turn out and last throughout the week. First, I am sectioning my hair into 3 layers and applying the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I find this is really good for dry, damaged hair and was a product that I was using early on in my curly transition. Then I'm using the 7-row diamond brush to brush through my hair. This ensures the leave-in is getting spread out evenly throughout the hair. Then I use a comb to part my hair. I usually part it slightly to the left of the middle of my scalp. Then I'm scrunching and activating the curls again. Here are some other creams I've been loving lately. Some ingredients that I find work well for my hair include argan oil, avocado, shea butter, and flaxseed oil. I haven't been using mousse as much lately, but for today I used the Frieda Dream Curls mousse, which helps to give more volume and a stronger cast around the curls. Then I'm using the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Gel, glazing and scrunching that all throughout my hair. After that, I'm using the diamond brush again to define all the outer parts of my hair that tend to get frizzy. I run the brush through my bangs and scrunch them to ensure they're nice and defined. I could go through my whole hair layer by layer and do this, but that would take forever, so I just brush through any noticeable bits around the front of my face and any frizzy bits at the back of my head. When my bangs are wet, they get all in my eyes, so I just use these clips to keep them out of my face while I finish my routine. And here are some other gel recommendations. I don't always use a hair oil, but today I used the Moroccanoil Treatment on the ends of my hair as they have been extra dry lately. I use the Dyson Supersonic Diffuser to dry my hair. I'm so happy with this diffuser. It uses advanced technology to reduce heat damage and is the fastest drying hairdryer I have ever used. To minimize frizz, avoid touching your hair too much and don't drag the diffuser along your hair. I have been guilty of that in the past. Then after a nice cast has formed, I flip my hair over and put the diffuser deeper into my roots, cupping the curls like so. For the settings, I have chosen medium heat and medium power. Using no heat is the best for your curls, but I'm not that patient because my hair takes forever to dry, so I do like to use a bit of heat. But if your hair is more damaged, I suggest using a cool air setting. Sometimes too much hairspray can make your curls dry or sticky, but this Schwarzkopf hairspray has been a long time favourite for my hair. It has great hold and doesn't make my hair stiff or sticky. The key to volume is shaking out your curls from your roots. If I skip this step, my hair just looks really flat and not as voluminous. And that is my routine, from washing my hair to styling to diffusing. This probably takes me just over an hour. It does take quite a bit of time and effort caring for curly hair, but I definitely recommend you try it out and put down the straightener. It is life-changing and so worth it. I hope this routine helped you guys out. Let me know if you're going to try any of the techniques or any of the products, and feel free to leave any more curly questions down below. Let me know what other curly videos you want to see from me next, and make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!